Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Maths. So in the first tutorial, we discussed about the basic idea about ratios and some questions. In this video, we are going to discuss ratio of two quantities and division in a given ratio. Ratio of two quantities. The magnitudes of two quantities of the same kind can be compared by means of a ratio. Examples for the same kind are two lengths, two weights, two areas, etc. So the magnitudes in a ratio needs to be having the same kind. So either they can have lengths, weights, and areas, and they cannot have two different kinds such as lengths and weights in the same ratio. The measures of the two quantities should be expressed in terms of the same unit. It is generally easier to convert to the smaller unit. So even though we have the same kind, the magnitude needs to have the same unit. So we cannot have centimeters and meters magnitudes in the same ratio. We need to have the same units in order to have a ratio. And also it is easier to convert to the smaller unit. Note that a ratio expressed in the form is always a number and is not expressed in terms of any particular unit. So the ratios are expressed in numbers. So we do not mention the units in the ratio. Let's look at some examples. Find the ratio of the following. 15 centimeter to 2 meter. So centimeter and meter are two different units, even though they used to measure the lengths. So we need to convert all of them to centimeters or to meters. And also it is better or easier to convert to the smaller unit. So in this case, centimeter is the smaller unit, so we convert the meter into centimeter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 2 meters equals 200 centimeter. Therefore, the ratio is 15 to 200 or 3 to 40. 300 gram equals to 2 kilogram. So the bigger unit is 2 kilogram, which means the kilogram. So kilogram is converted into grams. 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. So 2 kilogram equals to 2000 gram. Therefore, the ratio is 300 to 2000 or 3 to 20. So in the next example, 5 days to 3 weeks. Weeks is the bigger unit, so we convert weeks into days. So 1 week has 7 days. So 3 weeks has 7 days. I mean 7 times 3 days, which is 21 days. Therefore, the ratio is 5 to 21. So let's move on to the next part, which is division in a given ratio. A quantity can be divided into parts which allow given ratios to one another. For example, if we say that a cake is shared among 3 people, A, B, and C, in the ratio 2 to 3 to 3, it means that the cake is divided into 8 pieces. So we got 8 by adding the magnitudes 2, 3, and 3. And A gets through 2 pieces while B and C get 3 pieces each. Let's have an example. Example number 1. 3 friends decide to purchase a book that cost 2,250 rupees by sharing the cost in the ratio 1 to 2 to 2. How much does the person who contributes the least pay? So we are asked to find out the amount the least payable has contributed. So according to the magnitudes 1 to 2 to 2, 1 is the least amount, the least number. So we'll be concentrating on that magnitude. The sum of the terms in the ratio is 1 add 2 add 2, which equals to 5. Thus the person who contributes the least pay 1/5 of the cost, while the other two persons contribute 2/5 of the cost each. So the amount that the person who contributes the least pays 1/5 of 2,250 rupees, which equals to 450 rupees. So that's it for this video, my friends. So I have added 2 more questions for you to try. Please try them and write down your answers in the comments below. And if you like this video, please press the like button and and your feedbacks are always welcome in the comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.